guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about what length of the wheel bolt for 15mm wheel spacers. Let's get it. If you are going to install wheel spacers, you need to install the extending wheel bolt. The length of extending wheel bolt you need is the thickness of the spacer plus the stud bolt length. The matching wheel stud uses SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, no harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. The spacer structure design effectively reduces the losing of bolts during use. With the 12 petal hand design, the petal hands can only be manufactured by superforging technology. This uniform distribution requires a large tonnage machine to forge in one step. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolts also has a bonus engraved. Bonus owns factory. By engraving the word B or bonus on each bonus extending wheel bolt, it expresses the guarantee of quality and the protection of customers' interests. This excellent performance from Bonus professional and dedicated attitudes, as evident by Bonus logo on each product. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers or wheel bolts, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.